Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 1500 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully tested and checked out. We'll get that running for you in a second. Show you guys the nameplate really quick. Total weight is 1,028 pounds. Overall dimensions, 38 inches length, 27 inches width, 50 inches high. This is wired for, 460. Is a 3-phase. It is air cooled as well. Controlled by the remote right here. We'll get that going for you right now. Take a look at the oscilloscope. It's a great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.